Hello everyone, welcome again. In previous lectures, we covered the different loops available in C# and how to use them. In this lecture, we'll explain when to use each loop. This will help you to understand when and how to use each loop effectively, as choosing the right loop for a specific task can make a significant difference in code readability and performance. Okay, the first one is the for loop. This loop is suitable for scenarios where the number of iterations is known or can be determined in advance. For example, here, in the case of calculating the factorial of a number, a for loop is a great option because we know the exact number of iterations and it allows us to easily repeat the task by iterating over a range of numbers. It simplifies the process by combining the steps of initialization, condition, and iteration into a single construct, making the calculation more organized and concise. Alright, when we need to iterate over the elements of an array, both the for and for each loops offer a convenient way to access each element. However, when working with an arrays and collections, the for each loop is a simpler and more readable option than the for loop. It automatically handles the iteration process and has a cleaner syntax compared to other loops. And as a programmer, we use the for each loop most of the time in our applications. It's important to note that the for each loop is more suitable when we want to iterate over collection elements for read-only purposes, such as retrieving information or performing calculations. For example, when we want to get the length of each name in the names array, the best choice is to use the for each loop. But if we want to modify the collection elements, using the for loop is necessary to avoid encountering an error. Okay, the while loop is more flexible and suitable for situations where the exact number of iterations is unknown and determined based on a condition. For example, in a guessing game, using a while loop allows us to repeatedly execute a code block until a certain condition is met. In this game, we don't initially know the number of attempts required to guess the secret number correctly. And the while loop ensures that we keep asking for guesses until the correct number is guessed. This provides flexibility and adaptability when the number of iterations is not predetermined. Okay, if we don't initially know the number of iterations and we want to ensure that the loop body is executed at least once, using a do-while loop can be a better option. For example, here, the do-while loop allows the user to keep entering their login information until they are successfully authenticated. It's often better to prompt the user for input at least once, regardless of the initial validity. Okay, done. See you soon with another lecture.